Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn something called Harmony OS. This is one of the most happening, most famous, most recent operating systems that's out in the market, and I'm going to talk about it. We are going to have 3 or 4 sessions totally, which will talk about the features of Harmony OS, and I'm certain you would love it. This is going to be definitely the game changer. Well, what is an operating system? We all know that it's a resource manager. It manages all the resources of the device without having necessity for you to add anything new to it or remove anything from it. It's just like our brain. Our brain never asks us to cut our hand or add one more hand to it or add one more eye to it. So it just manages whatever is available in the best way possible without much conflict. So operating system is a resource manager, and we are going to learn about Harmony OS, which is targeting at 1 plus 8 plus n philosophy. 1 is your smartphone, your smart device. Plus 8 is other 8 devices connected to it, and through that another n devices. So it's going to be completely revolutionized, completely networked, completely interconnected world, fully connected world is a target for this Harmony OS. This is a new pick, this is growing, this is going to be the world. This is very innovative, very distributed in nature, and most importantly this is fully connected. Well, we are in the modern IoT era, we are in the connected era, we are in the IoE era. That is Internet of Everything. So this is very much suitable for IoE. The traditional device, traditional OS, if you take about, that runs on a standalone device. But on a contrary, HMS is distributed in nature. Remember, the traditional operating system runs on a standalone device, but on a contrary, against that default nature, HMOS is going to run in distributed nature. The same system capabilities, in the sense the similar system capabilities can be used for varieties of devices, be it phone, be it tablet, be it wearable or smart TV. We are going to expand it to a vast range, and it's going to be very useful. And this nature, this distributed nature is going to enable HMOS to cater to many applications. It can start from the mobile office or a fitness application or an entertainment application. Everywhere. It's going to go everywhere, and it's what is Harmony OS for you. So it's distributed, it's for IoE, it's for IoT, it's going to be everywhere, and it's going to be the future. Well, I'm going to talk about some of the excellent features. There are 3 features which I'm going to highlight, which you will be also very happy to know, and I'm going to talk about that. The first is hardware collaboration and resource sharing. What do you mean by that? Very simple. I'm going to have some reference here, some example here. I got a smart TV, I got a smartwatch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share resources from the devices, say from TV and watch and vice versa. You can share the resources from one to another. This is going to be scaling at its best. You can scale, you can share the resources, you can scale the resources to the next level. So if I have some resources additional in terms of smart TV, if I can borrow it for the smartwatch, if I can borrow it for another device, that's going to be excellent resource sharing, and this is called hardware collaboration. This hardware collaboration is going to be the future, and Harmony OS provides you that. Well, next thing is one-time development for multi-device deployment. What is it? Very simple. You develop your application only once, just once. Deploy it across a range of devices. So you do not have to reinvent the wheel every time, and it's there. Just use it. Simple. And the next one is unified OS for flexible deployment. Very important point to understand is it is not for just one device. It is for different devices with different capabilities and capacities. It's going to be for the multiple devices. It's not going to be for only one. So 3 features I told you. The first one is hardware collaboration and resource sharing. The second one is one-time development for multi-device deployment. The third one is unified OS for flexible deployment. All these 3 makes your Harmony OS the best, and certainly you can learn it. Well, the more and more Harmony OS is celebrated because the multi-programming language API support is really huge. It supports Java, XML, C++, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. HTML is Harmony OS markup language. You must be familiar with one of these at least, and well, you can start your learning, you can start your building from there, and it's going to be easy for you. Well, it's going to give more power to the developer. If you take Android, you are going to create an application, and that application is going to be for smartwatch, smart TV and smartphone. You got to create 3 different builds and 3 different projects essentially. But that's not the case with Harmony OS. We've got something called as Devico, which can help you in just getting one project for all the 3 devices. This is wonderful, right? So you can cater to any number of devices so easily through our system. Well, We're going to learn more about Harmony OS. I'm going to talk about the technical features of it, the technical layers of it, all this in the next session. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you like the channel and content, kindly subscribe. Thank you.